let's bake together. So I had a friend request a cheddar jalapeno loaf, so I'm gonna make 2 of those. Gonna make one for my family too. So we're gonna do that today. The rest of this video will probably be in voiceover because I have crazy children, so especially this one who wants to steal my phone. So let's get started. This is just a giant bowl. A lot of people use clear bowls, but this one is good for when I have double loaves. So I'm gonna use this one, and my starter is popping. It's active. I fed it last night, and it's still peaking this morning. So we're gonna go ahead and get that poured into the bowl, and then we're gonna do warm filtered water, some bread flour, and some salt. All right, so we're gonna start out with 250 grams of active bubbly starter. So here I am pouring it in. I have a kitchen scale underneath there weighing it. This is the Rowdy Rocket sourdough starter jar, by the way. It is fantastic. I love this thing. Such an easy way to maintain my starter and to keep it safe and clean and have room for breathing. Up next, we're adding 750 grams of warm filtered water. Having it be warm helps to kind of jumpstart the process. I'm gonna bake these loaves maybe in less amount of time than normal, so I wanted it to really get it going. I want to show you guys what it looks like when I poured my water in, how my starter is floating, and that this is normal, and this is good actually. So you can see I put my water in, you see how the starter is floating. That is a good sign. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna take this off the scale and we're gonna give it a mix with our bread whisk. You might have some floating chunks of starter in there. Again, that is normal and that is fine. It'll get better incorporated in a minute. All right, up next, we're adding 1,000 grams of bread flour. I really like the King Arthur bread flour. It gives me pretty consistent bakes every time. And then once we add that in, we're gonna add 25 grams of salt. This is just sea salt that I have. So just put that in there and then we'll begin mixing. Now we're just gonna go ahead and mix that up. I start out with the bread whisk and get that mixed pretty well. And then I like to go in with my hands to really get the feel for the chunks of flour that are still in there so I can get those out. So then I'm gonna just go ahead and mix with my hands, really knead the dough well, really get all the flour, salt, etc. incorporated into there. Once I'm done with that, I'll go ahead and scrape my hands off with the bench scraper and then scrape down the sides of the bowl. Okay, so this is what your dough should look like. It's gonna be pretty shaggy. We're gonna let it rest for about an hour, hour and a half, and then come back. This is going to take a nap, come back for part 2 for stretch and folds, bulk ferment, shaping, inclusions, all of that fun stuff.